Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I hope everyone is well. It has been sometimes since I have given update or perhaps more insight on the ground of what is happening in Gaza, in particular in Khan Yunis. Indeed, the inverted commas, the ceasefire has allegedly taken place, but on the ground people are returning back to dust and rubbles. Our team has gone back to the heart of Khan Yunis, revived and brought back to life our water well, which was initially providing people to the area, which were estimated of 10,000 people and more. The desalination system, as you can see, it was preserved, but unfortunately it's been hit with a couple of shrapnels. So it took the team, with your help and donations and constant support, to manage to restore this system back into life. Our biggest challenge at the moment is to provide a constant or perhaps more durable electricity source. And as you can see, at the moment, our source of energy is a very noisy generator that needs lots of surgical intervention, and has really done a good job so far, for 2 years. But with the fluctuation and instability of the oil and the constant need of repair, it ends up really costly and very difficult to handle. So the team now is what we're asking for support is in particular now to support solar panel which has been assembled, and maybe some installation to generate the water well and the desalination system. The total cost is estimated to be around 12 to 13,000 US dollars, and this will be the battery around the 45,000 shekels. Obviously prices do fluctuate on daily basis. A few months ago this battery was costing about 70 to 80,000 shekels, so it's a bargain in Gaza at the moment, plus the installation cost and what have you. There will be a couple of thousand, so I'm estimating the total cost to just be around 50,000 shekels. So with this appeal, we are asking for your support, and as you have been, and at the end we can't thank you enough for being who you are, and thanks for your support and thanks for your donations.